Steve from SewingGold.com, and I'm showing you this swing away edge guide. This guide itself is a deluxe edge guide for walking foot machines. Not all walking foot machines can take it. You have to make sure you have a couple screw holes on the back of the machine like this Juki has it, and then I can show you the Seiko. Seiko has 4 holes, but use the two farthest ones on the outside. That's what you'll be using. And then the Juki, I believe, only has 2 holes. So this guide has another piece that comes with it. So you have that roller right here, and then you also have this edge guide here that you would remove that and you would put that in its place. And then to make adjustments on it, this would make it slide side to side. So I'm going to just put it up here. That would be farther away, closer, and then there's a screw right here. It's underneath this screw. As you can see, mine's touching the base here. If you adjust that screw, it'll adjust this up a little bit depending on your machine, just so if you don't want it touching the bottom here. You might want to have it hovering above so it doesn't ruin your paint job. Okay, if you have any questions about this guide or anything else we sell, give us a call, 888-505-4565. You can reach us at info@SewingGold.com. That's info@SewingGold.com. Thank you very much.